Excited, you know, all the work I've put in throughout the season, you know, it's coming to its 10 points combination, so it's exciting. I'm ready to see what my work has led to.
This is my second Commonwealth Games. Last year I was in Australia. It was pretty interesting because, you know, it was my first time being with the other people in the national team. I didn't swim all the events I did that I'm going to be swimming here. I only swam 2 events last time, so this time I have quite a bit. I'll be swimming the 50 free, 100 free and 100 fly and the 2 mixed relays. So I think that's something different compared to what I was doing 4 years ago. So it'd be good to be doing this together with my other teammates here who came with me.
Siku ya kwanza itakuwa ni Ijumaa ambao wote wao wataogelea kwa relay, mixed relay. Alafu pia tuko na Marabella ataswim kwa 100 meter butterfly, pia na Emily na Ridwan kwa 50 meters.